Weight training. It's not just about lifting heavy objects and putting them back down. It's about pushing your body to its limits, challenging yourself to become stronger, both physically and mentally. The benefits go far beyond just building muscle and increasing metabolism. It's about discipline, dedication, and determination. When you step into the weight room, it's like entering a different world. The clang of metal plates, the grunts of exertion, the sweat dripping down your face, it all becomes a symphony of effort and determination. Each rep, each set, is a battle against yourself, pushing past your limits, breaking through barriers you never thought possible. And the results speak for themselves. As you consistently train with weights, your muscles grow stronger, leaner, more defined. Your body transforms before your eyes, becoming a powerhouse of strength and endurance. But it's not just about aesthetics. It's about functional strength, about being able to lift, carry, and move with ease in your daily life. But perhaps the most underrated benefit of weight training is its impact on metabolism. Building muscle not only burns calories during your workout, but also increases your resting metabolic rate. This means that even when you're not actively exercising, your body is burning more calories just to maintain your muscle mass. It's like turning your body into a furnace, constantly burning fuel to keep you going. And let's not forget the mental benefits of weight training. The focus, the concentration, the determination it takes to push through that last rep. It all builds mental toughness and resilience. You learn to embrace the discomfort, to push past the pain, to never give up even when it feels impossible. It's a mindset that carries over into every aspect of your life, making you stronger, more resilient, more capable of overcoming any challenge that comes your way. Weight training is not just a physical activity. It's a lifestyle, a mindset, a commitment to becoming the best version of yourself. It's about pushing past your limits, breaking through barriers, and discovering the strength that lies within you. So the next time you step into the weight room, remember that you're not just lifting weights, you're building a stronger, healthier, more resilient version of yourself. And that's a journey worth taking, one rep at a time.